Usually they got a cooler up here. Yeah, they got a cooler.
She's in the heat, man. It'd be cool because you're saying you can get the tires hot on the left. I'm interested to see that's how you do it, you know?
Basically, I just try to drive the corners like I'm at pace.
Yeah.
So I'm doing some good hard braking to get the brakes up, to get a little slip angle on the tires, getting going. The ground's plenty hot. It's not like you got, the ground's real hot.
Yeah.
And these are just street tires, so it's not like they're slicks, right? So you can actually push them somewhat when they're still cold. So just trying to get whatever slip angle to hold.
Man, you're really smooth. I can tell already. Holy crap.
Yeah, that's the key to being fast.
I mean, you are super smooth. Jeez. It's like, just taking that, like, it's like me driving at the limits like half that speed. You're just like, yeah, we're just kind of warming them up.
Yeah, parade lap pace.
Yeah.
That's a terrible place to brake. That'll upset the rear end.
So I was going to ask, what do you do going into 7? Do you brake or do you just kind of lift a little bit, or what do you, like, how do you?
Well, I carry as much speed as I can and do a late hard brake.
So when you're coming out of 6 going into 7, you're not mashing the throttle, but you're not off the throttle either?
I'll show you when it comes around. I'm watching him. The difference is Tan did that going into corner 1 and had no margin for error. I was hovering the brake pedal the whole time watching him, knowing that I can outbrake those cars. There's a way to drive close and be safe about it.
Right.
And there's a way to be silly about it.
Right.
Starting first lap.
Alright, so you can grab some curb here. Tires still cold. I shift and then keep my foot as close to the floor as I can. And then normally I would just lift, turn in, then back to full throttle.
Okay.
We're coasting here because we caught the Lotus. Then I brake hard here, and I want to get all the way up on these stripes because I want to be on this side of the track. So then I can come back here to the right side.
Man,
you do a nice late turn in, and I can be under full throttle back here.
Yeah, just the way you do that is so smooth.
Yeah.
That's a cool car.
Yeah, the Exige is awesome. Alright, so get up to speed. A little bit of braking. And then we just accelerate through. Just after the 1, off the brake for the downhill so the suspension can work. Keep the wheel turned, let the course come to us. Quick brake to set the front, follow the stripes up the hill. As soon as we're on the hill, we're going to accelerate, so we're accelerating here. This is how we keep up with cars with twice our horsepower. For a little while. Brake hard in a straight line. Nice late turn in. is killing me here. Thank you.
223.03.
10 seconds off pace. Thank you. It's full throttle. We're a little bit offline, so we'll slow down a little bit more. Adjust. There we go. And now we're back. Brake the bottom of the hill. Turn it in. Clip the apex. Accelerate up the hill.
turn in.